Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys today's rainbow location as well as where Doris is. So for the first rainbow bouquet, we're obviously going to find it in front of our house. So let's get to the next locations. The next rainbow bouquet is located in the central square. And last but not least, we have another one in front of A Terra's place here. So one over here and one over here. And Doris will be right next to the bus stop. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.